Alright, I guess we can get started. See if I can remember how to do this. It was a bind, I think, for switching. There we go. Right, it's control and the number pad. I set those up so long ago. I think I can do like control 2, 3. Huh. Alright. That should be good. Alright. Let's get started. Yes, I use Eclipse. Get over it. Alright, so what we're working on is... Look, I tried the Eclipse Dark theme. I really did. I gave it a chance, but there's just too many like little glitches. And the white honestly doesn't bother me that much. So... yeah, sorry. It's what it is. So... I'm gonna go against my instinct and not copy any code from 1.7 because I know that the player interact event has changed entirely, so rewriting it. I got a bunch of Adhesive Wombat thrown in there. In fact, I should throw in his newer album. Just chuck that into the playlist real quick. Done. I got like, how long is this playlist? 17 hours. We might hit him again. Let's see. So yeah, I don't know really anything about how this event works, so I'm gonna kind of be figuring it out as I go. I say newer. I mean, it's from... not really that new. Sticky Tracks, it's from 20... that's from this year. Yeah. Yeah, you might be. I didn't know it was there either. Like, I think it's only on Spotify. I don't see it on Bandcamp or anything. The 10 tracks, yeah. I don't know if they're quite as good as the previous album, but I mean, it's music, so it's still pretty good. Anyways, modding. What do we have here? I don't even know. I should probably look at like the event itself. Correct. That's entity. Entity. Right-click block. I don't really care about. Need left-click block. I'm all over that. Okay, so I need to just get that. Hey, Wei. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, I figured you'd seen it. I mean, it's not that new. I say newer. That term lightly. Nice. Works how I expect it to work. That's always a good sign. Word's breaking its own rules. Unless, does it... yeah, no, it doesn't have the nullable stuff. Oh, that's fun. And Raoul. What would you prefer to be called, Raoul? Raoul de Burge. I am using a window capture, yeah. Is that bad? It's not full screen or anything, so it gives me enough room to stick that top bar on there. The tabbing on things as well. Oh, you can't see that? Okay. Let me... but wait, won't that show, like if I bring up Discord, will that show that? Is there already an item beach bone? Oh, that's helpful. Ah, there is. Thank you. I can try doing that. I don't know if that will update. Properties. See anything about that? Remember, I'm using OBS Studio, so I don't... I don't want to spend too much time on this, but I'm try adding a new window capture. Yeah, OBS Studio. I just see capture cursor or multi-adapter compatibility. Nothing to do with... Are you sure it's for window capture? I don't know. Alright. Hello, Nut. Welcome. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure there's a way, but you're right. It doesn't show the little pop-ups. That's fine. Got all night. So we need to get the content of the chisel. I forget how to do that. Haven't done this in a while. The way to get the... I know I made an easy way. Get the data from the chisel. Let me look in the... Not in here, is it? It's probably in the inventory. Let's check in here. Oh, no way did I just hard code it everywhere. I'm better than that. Say that, but I'm probably not. Darn, I did. Oops. Oh, no. I did. I wrote it in here. Okay, I just haven't updated that code yet. Yay. Perfect. Yeah, I don't remember making you a mod, but I'm not surprised that I did, so welcome. Alright, now we need to get the carving grade. And of course, this is only... there might not be a target. What was that? I love when an API you made actually actually works for what you're trying to make. Great. Alright. I mean, that's a pretty basic demo, but it should do the trick, actually. In a very basic sense. There obviously won't be any sounds, there won't be any particles, and it won't work for the cycling through, but best case to start with. So let's... That's fine. Stop. Launch in debug mode. And I can do my fancy... Uh-oh. What the... Uh-oh. Mess with stuff. Hang on. Remove. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So it should show the game. Not showing the game yet. There it is. Awesome. Beach Phone, I actually haven't touched that new stuff at all. I know it exists, so maybe maybe I'll try it out, but I was just going off, like, you know, the hundreds and hundreds of event handlers I've written in the past. I will try that, though. That's a good point. Something like that's just burned into my memory, so I do it that way, because, you Why do I need to take Ender IO off the dependencies? I was just loading it for testing. Gonna add load time. I don't know why this goes so slow sometimes. Do I have like a debug set? Ah, maybe that'll speed it up. Not really. A memory thing? Ooh, it might be a memory thing. I'm pretty low on memory. I close. Close and stuff. Chrome tabs are probably a good thing to close. There we go. I kind of know how to do it. I just haven't. Create a new real world. See what we can do. Let's go ahead and go full screen on this. That good old gen lag. Okay. Oh, right, because, yeah, duh. Wasn't thinking. We need, this can be null. Wait, where did it actually crash? Did I mark that as non-null? I did, okay. Whatever. Yeah, that's probably an important check. Alright, so let's try what you were saying. So make this static. Then you just... I mean, honestly, I kind of don't like that. It is obviously a little, like, simpler, but it's kind of an anti-pattern. Static methods for everything. It's better to use objects. I mean, from an OO point of view. But that's just me being pedantic. Let's try again. Glad my scenes still work. Haven't used them in a while. What's the quality? It's, could be better. Or am I? Well, let me know if the quality is okay. I could probably raise the bitrate a bit and do 1080p. It would make the in-game look a bit bad, but it would make the code way clearer. Oh yeah, that loaded way faster. Yay, Chrome. I have 16 gigs of RAM, that's the crazy thing, and I still fill it up. I need to upgrade. Buy me some more RAM. Okay, let's see. Does breaking a block instantly crash this time? No, it does not. That's a good sign. Grab some stone. Let's put it in there. Let's target this roadblock, and poof. We're in creative mode. No, it's not working. You're not working. Okay, that didn't work at all. Why? What's the MBT on it even look like? Target. Oh. It's because... Why did I do that? This is all wrong. What's the target tag? Need all this. I don't know why I didn't convert this. I think it was because I was working on the iChisel, high-tech chisel, or whatever you want to call it, and I didn't bother updating this older code. So let's... Thing is, this is going to break backwards compat, which means anybody who opens up a chisel from an old save, darn, gonna lose the item. Well, it's an alpha. I didn't do that anywhere else, did I? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Yep. See? It just nuked it, because it's looking in a wrong place in the... Oh, that's the monster egg. Of course it is. Alright, roadblocks. Really? Oh no. Not working at all. Hang on, what? I wish I had that render working that showed the little item icon. Yeah, it's not saving at all now. Okay, that's bad. Why is that happening? Must be missing a place where it's still hard-coded. Look like it. Don't care about that. Okay, worked. What's on here? I didn't do anything. The world? No idea what's going on right now. Those in here? Both? Oh. This isn't gonna initialize it if it... Yeah, I think that's the problem. This returns a tag, but it doesn't actually... Yeah, it just returns a new one. That's such stupid vanilla code. Ugh. I hate that. Just insert it. Guess that'll work. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, see, I did it here. I just don't actually need this anymore, though. All contained in there. Okay. Hey. Look at that. Oof. That's... Wait, what? Oh. Okay, well, proof of concept working. Balance, not so much. Gonna paint the whole world stone. How does it work on water? It doesn't. Pretty cool if you could like hit a sheep and it would just turn it into a block, but I think that's Atomic Blom's property, so I'm not gonna touch that. Dip it. Yep. Finished. Alright. I need to do a little bit more than this. Start with the registry. No. No shortcut to get the, date in world? No? Wait, why? Only the one hand is punching. Doesn't make any sense. Well, it won't matter, because it'll check that the chisel's in the right hand, so it shouldn't matter. There's no easy way to get the block from the event. They left that out. Really? Okay, so I have to do it myself. God, there's so many variables here. Sorry about that. Why is Discord not in streamer mode? Why that manually? There it is. Enable. Shut up, Discord. Good question, Lord. I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Okay, so yeah, should be able to do an equals equals there. It should always be same reference. Hey, that should be working. Let's pick a different. Okay, it changes those, but it doesn't change anything else. What about like andesite? Put those down. Does that change those? It does. But those aren't in the same group. Yeah. They shouldn't be in the same group at all. I don't really like this song. That's weird. Okay. Oh. 8 is stone. Andesite variant. No variant for that. That's not true. Oh God, are we gonna have to get into debugging the chisel registry? Fun. Yeah, I don't really know why it's giving me. What group do we actually get back? Stone. Yeah. So we shouldn't be getting that. Get out of that. Something must be wrong in this equals. Trying to think it through. Yeah, so this is. Wait, what? Oh. Gonna return true, yeah. Oh wait, our input should be. Why is that our input? Wait, where are we? Oh, we're in the wrong place. Okay. All that. Try that again. Yeah, so we're here. Our input is. Oh, that's. That's wrong. Oh, no, wait, no. Yeah. Variant andesite. It's gonna get the stacks. They're the same. That's the problem. Shoot, okay. What's going on here? Oh. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. Why did I ever think that would work? How is this going to work? Can't easily get a stack for a state. Yeah, it's kind of meant to be a little quiet. I can probably bring it up just a little bit, though. Is that better? Actually, I think my desktop audio is just down in general. How's that? Because now I can barely hear myself think. Let me know if that's any better. Is there any way to do this? Isn't there like a block method? There's a get stacked thing, isn't it? Or is it? It's protected, isn't it? Uh-oh. Oh, come on, I know that's a thing. Eight stacked block. Yeah, it is protected. Is that reliable? I don't even know. I know this is dangerous territory. Trying to turn blocks into items. What we do here? Hmm. The issue is that the registry always prefers comparing items to blocks. But in this case, I don't have an item context. Just have the block state in the world. I could pick block it first. Yeah, I could pick block it. Like do. But I don't have a ray trace result, or is that in the event? Oh. I mean, there should be a ray trace result. Why don't I have access to that? Okay, I guess you don't really have a ray trace result. Yeah, but how do I get a ray trace result easily? The constructor tape. Oh, I think I have those things. God, okay. Geez, that's a lot of things. And a lot of warnings. Let's see, does it give the right group? The answer is it does. Okay, that might be a solution for now. Ah, I took away that breakpoint. Get out of here. Occasional flashing? Are we getting flashing? I don't know. I don't see any flashing. Yeah, so it's not converting that. Alright, so now what we need to write is the cycling. Um, really, a lot of this stuff should come outside. That up here. So if there's no target, then we just need to cycle to um, the next thing in the group. We have the current thing. Uh, should store the result of this pick block. I'm not getting any flashing. I'm also not dropping any frames. Thank you, my creator. Also, welcome. Um, yeah, so we just need to cycle from there. So I hate that. Oh, not ought. Please. Okay. Check IRC quick. Okay. Yeah, if you want to pop in Discord, I can do that. Thing is, I don't have a overlay set up for Eclipse. I don't even know if that's possible. Hi.
Hello. So I'm looking into, while you're doing that stuff, I'm looking a little bit into some other stuff that
Okay.
I don't want to say because I don't know if it's going to work out, and if it doesn't work out, I don't want to disappoint you.
That's fine. I'm looking into the overlay. Let's see. Does that work? Come on, show the overlay. Do it. It's not showing it. I didn't think that would work. Maybe it'll pop up eventually. Alright, so that should do the cycling. Let's see. We have an empty chisel? Do. Going through everything. Seems to be working. Does it wrap around? Where even are we in the list right now? There's that. Even see that one. Oh, is it this one? Yeah. Okay, so we're almost at the end then. We're 2 blocks from the end, so let's hit it. Hit it a few more times. And back to stone brick. Yep, and back to stone. Nice. Alright, so the cycling works, and it crashed. I think I know why that happened. Exactly where. Yeah. Block group can be null. Do a fail fast. Matter. So that works. Now the one thing we need to do is actually just do it's sneaky. Whatever. Should wrap it around properly. And then we just say .get index. And that should handle the wrapping. Test that. So now if you hold shift, it should go back. Yeah, Shadowback, that's pretty common. It's like, hey, it's kind of working, and then you have your happiness instantly taken from you. Tricky thing to get working now is going to be the sounds and the particles, though it shouldn't be too hard. I think I already have some code that exists that. And we also need to do damaging the chisel. Which means this would probably be a good time to make that a bit cleaner. Currently, I think there's code for how the chisel is damaged in different places, because it's handled completely differently for the eye chisel. Obviously, because it works completely differently. But there is a way to combine it, I'm sure. I think the music could still be a little louder. Oh. Spotify's being weird. Okay.
So I'm on a new computer now, and the IDE for some reason is having a problem. It's saying that block carvable has to implement get variation, has to implement get variations in iCarvable, even though, I mean,
The block?
yeah, it's complaining, like, the IDE.
That's weird. Wait, could it be a Lombok thing?
Oh yeah, I probably don't have the Lombok plugin in. Yeah, yep, that's it.
Yeah, because iCarvable has some auto-implemented stuff with @getter.
Here, I need to just enable that in our IntelliJ config.
Yeah.
Yes, I use IntelliJ.
Okay, so that works. Forward, backward, forward, backward. That's really the extent of it. I can pick this and go around and set everything to that variation. By the way, I like this zag variation that Drokus came up with. It's really cool.
Yeah, Drokus is some cool stuff.
I don't know if you haven't seen it. Does this.
Your Minecraft isn't showing on your screen. It's
Oh,
just
good point. Good point. There we go. Let's go there. I always forget to switch. Should be back. So I can show it off again. Whoop.
Did he do a custom render type for that, or is it just a V?
For what? No, it's its own thing, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I think yeah.
So like if I switch the target, I can change it all. Something else.
Is it Alt or R?
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah.
Alternating random.
Make it bigger. And if I take the target out, it cycles forwards or cycles backwards. That one looks. I fell off. That kind of looks good surrounded by the zag. A nice little pattern. Okay, so now we need to work on... Well, let's quickly add code for it working in creative mode. That's a little tricky. In fact, I actually forget how to do that. Do I need... Does this even get fired in creative mode? Answer, yes. But the problem is that in creative mode, it sets the state, it does everything, goes through, and then the game just instantly destroys the block after that. So you need a way to stop it. We had it working in 1.7. I can actually look at that code really quick. I'm in Chrome right now. You won't be able to see it. Oh, okay. Yeah, we just used the, okay. Easy then.
What event is called when a player hits an entity?
There's one of the player interact event subclasses.
Entity interact? Is that left? Is that only right clicking or is it also left?
No, it does, yeah, it's right clicking. There's an
What if
attack
I do
event
left click? Ah.
for that. But there is no... I could just probably... Oh, but I'm gonna need to... Yeah, there's no hand. Pass through in this event. No words. Songs. Alright. Yeah. How are we gonna know which hand? I mean, it's always gonna be left hand, right? You can't break blocks with your main. Yeah, it's always gonna be the main hand. But whatever. Why is that? Hit it. Why is that an error? It's telling me. Chisel item cannot be resolved. Oh, because we don't have the chisel item yet. Boy, that's a... Yeah, that's right. I forgot. Maybe that'll be our next task. And once again, I forgot to switch. Anyways, I just added this little bit of code here. Block break should stop the block from breaking. I think though it'll still break on the client and then just pop back. I think that's the best way to do it, unfortunately. Let's actually go ahead and get Ender IO off the class path. Next launch, no more Ender IO. Out of memory again? Something? No. Almost done loading. Okay. So if I did it right, it should work fine in creative. Oh, no, it's not going to work because I'm stupid and I didn't put the annotation. That's important. The important little bit of code. You feel the pain, phone? Forgetting the annotations? Do that every time. That's why I came up with a little thing in Endercore. Forget where I put it. Ah, here we go. Yeah. Of course, a little less useful now that there's only one event bus, but basically you slap this annotation on a class and it just magically figures out everything you need. And there's a lot of code behind it. It was probably way too much effort, but it works. Yeah, whatever. Let's see. Is it working creative? It does. Yeah, I wish I could stop it from breaking on the client, but there's no way. The client is very aggressive in assuming that the block will break properly. But I think that's as good as it'll be. That's how it was in 1.7. Why is it nighttime again? Okay. Those sounds. Yeah.
You can use game rule do daylight cycle false.
Yeah, I did that. But
Oh, you did?
when I reloaded the world, it was back to nighttime again. It was like the time didn't save. Weird.
That's odd.
Yeah, I think it's because I closed the game with the terminate button, which is like, I shouldn't do that.
Yeah, you don't do that.
I mean, theoretically, the
even save
game
the blocks you have?
should save everything when you close the game. The problem is that the terminate button does not just hit the X button on the window. It's different.
Doesn't it close the entire JVM?
It uses a different signal, which means multiple things. It means that the game doesn't get a proper shutdown hook. It means that no shutdown hooks are on, actually, which I found out. I was trying to write a bot, and it needed a shutdown hook to save things. and I would hit the terminate button, and it wouldn't run, and I was like, what's going on? Well, it turns out the terminate button in Eclipse means terminate. Don't do anything else. So no shutdown hooks are run.
But I mean, it probably just shuts down the JVM itself. So
I guess, yeah. I don't know.
Hey, what's the flag I have to put in again for the VM arguments? If I'm doing, because I have a new dev environment.
If you look at the stream real quick, it's this right here.
Can you just copy it into the chat because I can't?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Luigi.
Did you put in Discord chat?
I did, yeah. Developers channel. Chisel, sorry, I did it in the Chisel one. My bad. I was looking at the wrong one.
It's fine. It's fine. I got
I don't really have any mod dev channels set up on my Discord, so yeah.
I'm getting another error. For some reason, it's not able to find the class Gradle start, which I don't.
That's bad.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't know how to fix that necessarily.
Why do I still have that as an XYZ? Shows you how long it's been since I've touched this code. Sound category. Blocks, I guess. Oops. Where's the error? Oh. Huh. Why'd I do that? Such old code.
Why is your screen? It just does the creeper.
Yeah, I know. I forget to switch. I know. I'm so bad at it. I don't do this ever. I fixed it now. Goodness. I really need to get used to doing that.
Is there a way to do a poll in Twitch? Like in the chat?
Yeah, they have like innate support for straw poll now. I'm not really sure how you do it. No, it's not a bot thing. I have no idea how you do it actually. I've just seen it done. So yeah, I had to adjust this play sound method to take a block pass. Not a big deal. Let's see. I also need to only do that on the client side with another error. Why do I do this?
Whatever, I got a poll there. Just people should answer it.
What does it have to do with Eclipse or IntelliJ?
I don't know. I just want to start a flame war.
Why? Oh, it just puts the thing at the top of the chat. It's just automatic. Huh, okay. I mean, we all know IntelliJ is gonna win. I mean, look at who we have in the chat. Don't really care.
Yeah, there's 3 votes, 2 for IntelliJ, 1 for Eclipse.
Oh wait, no. Yeah, it should just be 8. Alright, let's see if that works. Lore, that's probably... I mean, I'll vote for Eclipse, just to be honest. Eclipse is actually winning! 3-2!
Because you voted.
Yeah. And? I'm not allowed to vote?
Yes, you're not.
Alright. That did not work. Wait, yeah, no wait, I put the code in the targeted version.
Okay, I have another vote. I have another poll there.
Ugh. Crashed.
Okay, why don't you take a look at that other poll?
What? Oh my god. Alright, so why didn't that work? Oh, because something's giving a null sound. That shouldn't happen. Why wasn't that failing in the GUIs? Oh, it used this is null safe if you just get variation sound. Because that will, well, it'll use the fallback sound. Forgetting how my own API works, yay!
Your screen's a creeper again.
Yeah, it's the game's coming back. It was a quick little fix. I mean, I'll show it real quick. Had to do registry get variation sound instead of the other way, because that way it makes the fallback. I should really just stick to this screen.
Yeah.
The little one in the corner. I feel like it's a little too small.
So yeah, since I'm bored and I can't do any big things for Chisel right now, I'm just working on a few small things that aren't really required but are fun.
So it probably shouldn't make the noise if it doesn't actually do anything, huh? Even though this is really fun. Uh-oh, I'm getting errors in the log. That's weird. Hitback is being null somehow. Why did I just close the console? How is that happening? Yeah, there it is. That's weird. Sometimes it gets a null hitback. Well, that shouldn't happen. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. They're weird. I'll look at it later. It's not crashing, so whatever. Alright, so we really need like a, what? Okay. So that should add the sound effects to everything and only do it if it actually breaks. Or actually changes anything. With that done, I think we're pretty much done with this. Except for that weird error we're getting. Aw, thanks guys. 3 out of 5 said I should be allowed to vote. Those other 2, I know who you are and I will find you.
I was one of the ones who said you shouldn't be.
Alright, well thanks for admitting it. What in the...
Yay! I'm having fun with the thing that I'm working on just for fun for no reason.
Can you tell us what it is yet?
I made a thing so when you hit a shape with a chisel, it just changes color.
Oh. Bit OP. Well, I guess not. I mean, who cares, right? It's just sheet
It's
colors.
fun. Yeah, it's cycles. Like it was. Just
Maybe that would be
simple,
something
right?
with the paintbrush. Oh, secret
What?
feature.
You didn't even tell me about that.
I know.
Hmm.
It's actually not a new idea. There's been plans
Yeah.
for a paintbrush in Chisel code for a long time. Go back to Pokefen's version on 1.7 and there's half-done code for a paintbrush registry. Basically, the idea is that it doesn't make any sense that a chisel can do things like this. Oh, well, wait, actually... Okay, in 1.7, you could change the color of things with the chisel, which doesn't really make much sense because it's a chisel. So the idea was there would be a paintbrush item, which would do the recoloring, and the chisel would do the changing of the variation. And the paintbrush could also do fun things like, I don't know, maybe change the color of a sheep, or things like that. If you have that code working, then... And the idea is we already have all the code for the carving registry and all that, and it could be repurposed, so it would be rather
The
easy.
sheep code was just really simple. It's like,
Yeah,
let
no,
me see how
it's just mess with the MBT, right, or something? I don't know.
no, they have a method.
Oh, okay.
Like set
Freezing
your
it.
color. Or whatever. Actually, I don't know if it works. I just realized I don't know how it updates server side because I mean it might have trouble updating. I have no idea.
It probably uses the data watcher,
I mean, let me
data
see.
manager.
Yeah, fleece color uses data manager, so.
Alright, so now it makes the noise. Oh, right, what's left is making the chisel be damaged, which is what I've been putting off.
Yeah, should I do that for the sheep thing? Nah, I'm just gonna make it so you can chisel sheep unlimited amounts of time. It's too fun. Also, I have one more feature I want to add once you do in-world chiseling, because it'll be based on that.
Oh, what is it?
Just allowing dispensers to use a chisel.
Oh, okay.
I guess you could do that.
Yeah. No, yeah. I'll let you do that. That sounds cool. I haven't really messed with that, so.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Where's
one.
that weave one? I really like that one. Oh, it's hard to find stuff. Gee, if only there was a chisel that let me quickly look through all the variations at one time. That'd be really handy. Oh wait, there is exactly that thing. There it is, that's the one. Actually, I should be able to target it, and then... Yeah, that works. Oh, no, it doesn't. Did that not stick? I thought it stuck. Maybe I broke that. I'll have to look into that. Yay. I like the little braided floor. Alright. So let's get working on the chisel damage. I don't really know where to put that. So we need to kind of consolidate, because currently if you look in here, not in there. Here? Yeah, there's code in here, I think, for damaging the chisel, though I can't remember where exactly it is. Ah, it's right here. Yeah, so this code looks very similar to this code here, because it is kind of the same, so it should be consolidated somewhere. Perhaps this is a good time to start working on the API for this. What did that look like in 1.7 even?
It's always confusing that with MCP bot, if you want to see a function, you have to do GM because it's G method, but then it's like it starts with func, and so it's an F, and I have an F in my head, and then I have to do GM, and it's like...
Well, it is technically called a method in Java.
I know it is, but why does it func underscore? Why can't it be method underscore? It just confuses my brain. I understand it, but it confuses my brain.
Well, yeah, someone made a mistake when they originally created MCP, calling them functions, because they're methods. Slightly different things. Anyways. What all did this have in 1.7?
How do you get all the entities in a certain radius again?
World.getEntities in AABB. I think we can pretty much just copy this wholesale, I think. Except we just need to change stuff like this. Yeah.
Is there just any simple thing to get all the entities in a radius of another entity? I feel like there should be something simple for that.
Not like one method. You'd have to create an AABB, and get the entity's AABB, and then expand it by a certain amount. Hate writing Java doc, but whatever. Okay. That's done. Hey look, a to-do. Now I can uncomment all this stuff. Wait. Modes, player. Oh yeah. Don't have an obsidian chisel anymore.
So if I want, what if I just want to create like a access line box to get an area? Does the AAB have the coordinate? Is that include coordinates in the world, or is it relative coordinates?
When you pass it into the get entities within AABB, it's relative. So wherever that AABB
From the world?
is.
Wait, but I'm doing it from the world. All it has is a class of entity to look for and
Sorry,
an access
no,
line.
yeah, I had that backwards. It's absolute. It looks exactly where that AABB is.
The one from the entity that I have, and then how do I expand the crystal?
There's an expand function.
Expand XYZ, is that what that does?
Yeah. You can do some fancy stuff with AABB. Like in that creatables mod, the way I get the bounding box for the paintings, because when you look at a painting, it shows one big bounding box, even though it's a bunch of connected blocks. It just gets the AABB of the one in the bottom left corner and the position of the one in the top right corner, and then there's a method in the AABB to just include another position, and it just grows to fit it. Pretty cool. It made that whole code like a few lines. So in here, I think I'm gonna add a new method. Let me look. Here.
When we're alone and the world is gone, I turn to you, you're my number one. Good days and bad days can't compare to the feeling I have when
Wait. I'm here. Ah. Crafted should be modified, so that should be okay. Okay, so yeah. Rid of that. This. Moves inside of this. I need to modify the crafted one, and the returned item stack is what's left over. Alright, let's think this through. That's the amount you need to craft. If it's damageable, then how much you can make. If we damage the item that much, and oh, it. No. What's left over? I'm getting so confused here. Oh, why this is so complicated. The leftover stack size is the current minus, yeah. And what's this? This is stack that was crafted. That's going to be the same thing. They need to be the inverse of each other. So say if you have a stack of 20 you're trying to craft, and there's only 10 damage left, it needs to give you stacks of 10. Yeah, no, this needs to equal craft. Then do that. Oh god, that probably broke everything. Let's see what happens. Realize I never really made a thanks, Lord. Alright, have a good night. I know it's very late for you.
You can't deny
Okay. No change of plans. Okay. Why? Okay, that looks right. The crafted should be 64, so... Oh no, that's backwards. Yeah. I think I broke it all. Hang on. Yeah. Working. Now... Ugh. Big suggestion. I'm open to suggestion. Whoa, hang on. Something's very wrong here. Crafting the wrong type. Oh, I see the issue. Craft all in the inventory? You mean like this button right here? I mean like if I were to spawn in a whole bunch of stone and chisel a bunch of them to different variations. Yeah, no, it only does the one variation, but you can very quickly just then select that and then select that and do that, and then you've got them all the same. You mean kind of like that? Yeah, it's almost like I already thought of that. Crazy. I just realized that I actually have the config for disabling chisel damage turned on. What am I doing? Oh, I don't have that working. Ooh, whoops. I'll fix that another time. Let's just go ahead and switch that config. That is if... Do more of this magic. Well, how about this magic? Momentum scrolling for no reason whatsoever. Actually a little touchy. Isn't that just the stupidest thing you've ever seen? I added that because I was like, whatever. Unfortunately, or fortunately, it will not have a short battery life because there's no battery life because there's no energy, and I don't really plan to pull an energy API to Chisel anytime soon. Yeah, that's something for Nut to do, if he's still listening. I like the auto spin. You can even put it up like this, and it'll still auto spin. Whee! I like that. You can just put it like that, and then it'll start spinning, and you can just kind of even scroll between variations. Whee! Yeah, I don't know if anybody's watching hasn't seen this yet, but iChisel's pretty neat. And you can change what it looks like, so you can demo different like kinds of connect textures. That one doesn't have connected textures, but this one. You can see what all the different types of connections look like. Yeah, Beachbone, you're right. I suppose I could use the Forge Energy API now, though Forge doesn't add a way to generate energy, so you'd be screwed if you just use Chisel. So it would kind of need to be an optional thing, which is tricky. Anyways, what were we working on? Oh yeah, damaging. I need to restart the game. I have so many things open in Notepad++. Alright, where is the damage thing? Allow chisel damage. True. Start. Unstable chisel, yeah. Well, what's the advantage to that? Why would you ever make it? There has to be some advantage to the unstable chisel. Can chisel dirt into diamonds. Yeah. Dirt into diamonds. No one's ever done that before.
Well, what do you think about an unstable chisel?
I don't know, Lord is just suggesting stupid things.
Actually, I have a way to implement that based on the thing I'm working on right now.
Azura lore, that's what I'm talking about, but I think it's out of scope a little bit for chisel itself.
I may or may not be
there's
adding
mods-
boss to chisel right now.
There's mods that exist like more chisels that do exactly that. Add chisels
Correct.
for other things. Yeah, sorry, I'm talking.
I
to
may
you
or
back
may
on
not.
you.
I may or may not be adding a boss right now. So
Boss.
Yeah.
Okay.
May or may not.
Alright, so it's giving me the wrong item, and I think I know why. Actually, I don't know why. Crafted. Oh. Of course, that's deprecated. Oh yeah, because item stacks are going to become immutable, right? Alright, so... yeah, we're going to have to do that, actually. Or reverse it, yeah. Have the result and this be the leftover. So yeah. Wait, what was I even doing before? Because 1.11 is changing it? I don't know. Go ask Mojang, not me. Actually, do I... Well, I mean, it's a good idea. There's really no reason. They're also getting rid of null items in item stacks, which is good. And really, it's better for the... an item stack's item shouldn't just change underneath it. It should be what it is. Other stuff can change, the damage, the MBT, but it shouldn't change its identity. I kind of agree. Change. So, whatever. Who was that? What is that? Suiko dude? So small on my screen because I have it in studio mode. I guess I don't really need to worry about tag compounds. Okay, so now I just need to invert this logic over here.
Imagination over time. Say you need to go find yourself. What if you stayed this time?
Target.
Won't you stay? Baby, won't you stay?
I know where it is.
Me, we can find a way. You just make me feel complete. Won't you stay? Stay with me.
Oh, it's the item stack.
Let's see.
You dropped the mod. Why'd you do that now?
I can see the way you move.
Yeah, I mean, we don't really have an API for it in the current Chisel version, but I will soon. I've already added it actually.
We can find a way.
So now the crafted the does
Stay with me and let's see. Baby, won't you stay?
all right. Let's see if that works. I should really use my Prime sub on someone. I still haven't. I have Twitch Prime and I haven't spent my free sub yet.
Won't you stay?
Actually, we've improved performance a lot lately. You should try again. I know you're being this, but
Hey, is connecting textures broken?
oh,
Cause I'm placing blocks and it's not working.
which block?
Any of them. Anti-block, was what I testing. I placed a bunch of other ones too.
Working fine for me. Check stream.
Yeah, I don't know. Aw. Oh well.
The disco. Probably gonna give someone like motion sickness. Go stop that.
That is disorient. Oh, you should make multi-block variants that are sideways. So we can have like weird looking stuff.
What did I break? Oh. Oh, there we go.
For some reason, I'm having trouble summoning an entity. It's just not summoning into the world.
That's weird. Alright, weird things are happening. hate messing with this stuff. It's so volatile. Mess it up, and you get 2 bucks. Okay. Partially working. Oh wait. Okay, it gives you 0. There we go. Why did it? Weird. I have no idea what just happened. Alright. To do that, it goes down 64. Yeah, okay, that's working. $113. 49, so we should 49 if I click this. Got 50, okay. Wait, did that actually work? Hang on. $52 left, so I should get 52 of this. And 12 of the other, right? Oh. Well, 53 and 11. I mean, I think you get off by 1. That's how it works. You can get 1 more at 1 durability. So if I chisel this all back to that, make 64, you didn't lose anything. Okay, so that's working. Wow, okay. Ooh. It's way simpler now. And the actual crafting code is the chisel item. So now I just need to mess with it for the eye chisel. Over here. Oh, I hate this code. Oh, okay. You know what? Not fixing that yet. That's gonna be tricky. But now, over in the controller, I can do, well, I can't really. I don't really know why I just did that. I mean, it was good work, but it was kind of unnecessary for what I'm working on right now. What are you guys talking about? Oh god, BTP. I mean, I used to use it. I don't think I'm using it currently, which has gotten a little better in terms of UI. Oh no, I am using it apparently. Just seems to lose its settings every now and again. Whatever. What was I working on? Right. Okay, so in the controller, we should just need to do fortunately copy that. Could be cleaned up a bit still. But let's see. Hey, it's damaging it. Look at this. People complain about chisel damage. Like, it dies so quickly. This is an iron chisel. And it's now just half dead. You get so much less out of an iron pick. And this only uses one iron. I don't get it. People are just whiny, that's all. Sorry. They disabled it in Hermit Pack, which of course caused a horrendous bug to appear. Totally wasn't intentional.
Why did they disable damage in Hermit Pack?
I don't know. How much damage is left? 24. How much now? 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Well, just once you get in-world chiseling in, I just want to make it a little bit to the code like you're using to cycle through this stuff as accessible internally. Because I have a few ideas of things that want to.
Why does it go to 0 stack size when I? How does a pick do it? How does this work? Where's that even processed? I hate damaging code. Damaging items code. So dumb. Never does what you expect. Yeah, I can do that, but why should I have to? I passed in the player. It should just do it. Heck. Lock destroyed? No. Wait, item tool? Yeah, see? It just calls stack damage item. Oh, yeah, sure enough. It just checks. Frickin' figures. Which means I have to call this event manually every time? Discord where? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I just found that. So, that's really dumb. So I basically have to copy this code. Urgh. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna get it to work for now. Famous last words, I know. Even do? Hold item to null. That. Weird. Don't like that. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna trigger it. Give me a sec. I really close that method. Shut up, pigs. What? Pig just die? Oh my god. Did he get trapped? Oh. Oh. Sorry. I didn't realize this little platform was such an environmental hazard. More careful next time. Not really. Wait. It's gonna work. A new method. I gotta start over. Because you can only break blocks with the main hand. Can't break things with the with the offhand, so no point. I mean, I just copied vanilla code here, so sue me. It doesn't work, but I think it does. Wait, when did I start this stream? Oh, you know, just 2 hours ago. What? How's it been 2 hours already? Yeah, it's fine. Alright. See if this works. Really inefficient. So, bear it down a little bit manually. Ah! Broke. Oh no! Does it have an attack cooldown? It should. Get a sacrificial pig. Yeah, it does. It's very short, but it does. You can see it in the little tooltip. Here, let me bring it up big for you. See it there. It's not long, but if you spam, you will do less damage. Okay, so I think what we need to work on now is chiseling modes, which was something that existed in 1.7, and I thought were really useful. So, for example, in 1.7, if you got a diamond chisel, there'd be some buttons here where you could switch the mode of it. And what that would do would mean that you could smack some blocks in the world and it would do a whole bunch at once. There was actually quite a bit of code for that. Chisel mode. Oh god. Yeah, I don't know. I might not do that yet. That's gonna be a bit complicated. So I think what we have here is a good start for in-world chiseling. It at least works now. Well as it can, I think.
And I can reference it internally easily, right?
Huh?
Are you putting everything through a helper so I could easily call the chiseling functions from another place?
No.
Could you do that? Because I have other things and I want to be able to chisel blocks in places in the world for other reasons.
That part is not that much code already. It's like maybe 3 lines. I mean, you set the state, and then you call two client util methods to get the sound and the destroy effects. Or do you mean everything, like getting the target from the chisel, and then...
I mean, I don't... Nah, just the kinking of...
Well then, yeah, it's already pretty simple.
I'm having trouble spawning a wither for some reason. Vanilla can spawn it like when I build the wither structure, but for some reason from code I'm unable to spawn a wither. Any ideas, Turag?
Why does summon need an int ID? Oh, I see. Never mind.
Summon command?
Yeah.
It doesn't. It uses a string item.
Summon object.
Not like that. I mean, like, first of all, you're doing the command. I mean, from code. Like, I'm trying to spawn and
Why did I do that?
Yeah, I mean, it spawned in fine with vanilla. Like, it just like, and I did the code wither boss. It's called wither boss. Goodbye. But yeah, so I'm having trouble spawning that in with code, even though I'm using the same code vanilla user, and I tried it with the vanilla thing and it worked. Any idea?
I don't really have any ideas. I don't do much with entities, really. Thanks. So let's go ahead and commit these changes, I suppose. They are done. But that's taking its time. Now, one thing I'm interested in is... Yeah, that still works, but... will it work for something with a ton of variations? No. No, it does not. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to fix that. Multiple pages, maybe? I guess it would need to, like, flip between the pages. Also, the whole orange highlighting thing is broken. we not port that over? Guess we didn't. Does extras go under the... What was that? Gaming tuts. I don't know how you say that. I guess it's tuts, right? Well, thanks for the follow. Either way. Oh. Deprecated, huh? Deprecated to what? Get ingredients. How do I do that? Oh. What? I don't understand this new JEI stuff. I haven't used it at all. Alright, as Orlor. Good night. Thanks for hanging out. And the follow as well. So how do I know... Oh, I see. You get the ingredients now. Yeah, okay. How can I do this? Can I just do...
Well, I gotta go now.
Alright.
I'm gonna commit the little fun thing I was working on, even though it's not quite done, but I'll see you around.
Alright. Yeah. And thanks for the follow, Kids Don't Play. Gaming Twits, I was working on in-world chiseling, but that is now... where'd my item go? Yeah, I died. That is now working. Looks better in survival mode. Go forward, go back, forward, backwards. It's all working. What I'm working on right now is I noticed that the JEI integration is a bit lacking, so I'm touching it up. Look at what that texture actually looks like. That.
My commit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, see ya.
Alright, see ya. Alright, so that texture. Yeah, it's got the little thing up there. I'll make this a static. And where does that start? Hey Trollzor, welcome. Welcome back, I should say. Starts at 166. Should have known that. Why didn't I know that? And the height should be 18. 18. See if it works. Gotta reboot. Yeah, it has been a long time. It's good here. Haven't streamed as much recently as I'd like to, but I figured now was a good time to do a quick development stream. I might stream some actual gameplay soon for Extra Life. I am signed up for that. I'm not, like, there's no commit. You know, you don't have to sign a contract or anything, but the idea is that you play for 24 hours, not necessarily straight, and you try and raise as much money as you can. It's all for charity. If you haven't heard of it, I'm sure you've heard of it though. Everybody's heard of it. And my plan was Kerbal Space Program. I haven't played that in a while. There's been a lot of updates, and I might try and do something stupid like get to Luna in 24 hours or Joule or something. Just generally see how the game is because I haven't played it since before release. I might have touched it like 1.0, but not really. And it's a fun game. And it's definitely got 24 hours worth of content, you know? Alright, so let's see. Alright, so it's drawing. Now we just need to store... We need to find input item and store that. So we need to have where's that an error? Why does that return a raw list? The heck, JEI? I guess because inputs can be anything. Eh. I could do that, yeah. I might go between games. I might not play KSP the whole time. But you're right, yeah. I did see that, the Bones update. Yeah, no, I get it. Yeah, I have heard of the update. It looked pretty cool. So I don't know, it didn't seem like a ton of new content. It seemed like a lot of... Well, I guess a lot of new exploration content. Which, honestly, is the part of the game I haven't done enough of, so maybe that's good. Yeah, unfortunately they aren't gaming, and I tried to figure out a way to get that to work. But I don't really know how. A new vehicle? I didn't see that. Oh yeah, no, I saw the new creatures. All right, so let's see. Hey, that's not working at all. Again, get these wrong. Should work. Wait, what? That's not right. Uh. Oh. Oh, I see. Huh. How do I know which one was clicked on? That's the question. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'll switch it back. Um, a Windows Vista loading circle? No, I'm on 7. But I think they have the same loading thing, though. Oh, this is only created with a group. Oh, God. How do you... How is it creating this? Oh. Huh, this is actually tricky. I don't know... I need to ask Mez. Hang on, I'm bugging Mez on... Why? My code's not that great. Kind of a mess right now. Can't even find stuff. The QED from what? Extra Utilities? I honestly haven't used it. Oh, come on, Mez. Where'd you go? iRecipe layout.get focus. Do I have that? I do. Okay. Oh. Alright, let's see if that works. So you get input being... Ah, it does work. Awesome. Mez to the rescue. Hey, look at that! It shows you the one you clicked on. That missing feature. Nice. Okay. So, I don't even know where we handle the, this rolling between items. Is that just by setting... Oh, it is. Okay. This is tricky then. Alright, good night, Lord. Yeah, I don't know, Trozor. That's kind of a confusing decision. I find that you should balance things through organic means, not just imposing an arbitrary restriction. Like, somebody was suggesting that I make it so the Darksteel armor in Ender.io can't work with mending, the mending enchantment from vanilla. Because, well, the armor only takes 5% at the highest level, 5% of its damage goes to the item damage, the rest goes to power. But of course 100% of mending goes to the item damage, so you basically have infinitely repairing armor free forever. And they were just like, oh, just disable mending, you know, then problem solved. But that doesn't make any sense. Why? It works with every other enchantment, so why would mending not work? There's no gameplay reason for it. My solution was potentially to make it so that mending also gives 95% of its benefit back to the energy. I have no idea if that's possible, and I haven't even looked into it. Hey, welcome, Mez. Update your JEI. I think we updated decently recently, but why? What, am I missing something here? There's something obvious that means I should update? Because I can do that. Forget what version we're even on. 293. I'll, I don't ever remember your Jink link. Build status, deprecated things. Yeah, because I don't really understand the I ingredients thing. I just haven't taken the time to figure it out yet. I just started looking at this. We updated and we haven't adapted to the new methods yet. So we're on 337. So yeah, I'm just a touch outdated. Just you know, 50 builds or so. All right. I'll go ahead and grab the latest. What is it? 313 0 237. Okay. Gaming, I might not be streaming tomorrow. I don't do dev streams all that often, especially, and then tomorrow's a school day, and I have classes, college. So, we'll see. I might continue this tomorrow, depending on how much we get done tonight. And follow me on Twitter or go by the Discord that's there in the description if you want to be notified of anything. I know the stream can't see this right now, but I'm running Gradle, getting the new JEI version. For some reason it's decided to download assets again. Okay. So if we just refresh real quick. Should see AI update. Yep, there we go. 337. Alright. Launch the game. Actually, let's see. Did it break anything in my, Nope. So, Mez, if you're still there, the problem I'm trying to figure out is, where there's too many results to fit in the GUI. I want to have it flash back and forth between two pages. But I'm not sure the best way to do that. Did I just, like, split the outputs into two lists? And then add two stacks, one being null sometimes, to the other, to the whole recipe layout? Alright. Alright, Gamey Tuts. Good night. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, I think, yeah, I just gotta write the code for kind of splitting it up into two. I don't even know how many the max is. I mean, it's, looking GIMP real quick. I have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 by 5, so 45 slots. Okay. See, that works. No. It stopped down here, but it's not cycling between them. Oh, does it need to be a list? Mez, am I replacing it by doing this? Is there an add? No, there doesn't seem to be. Okay, so that's a bit of a problem. So I'm gonna have to make a list for every single... Yeah. Yeah, I'm overwriting it. Is there no way to just add to the list? Or is it... It doesn't work like that, does it? It's just... deprecated. Oh, that's up here. I'm just not sure the best way to do it. Going over and making a list the whole way through kind of seems like a mess. I wish there was just an add method. See what I'm saying? A list item stack? Okay. That sounds like it's gonna make it even more complicated. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Huh. Why can't this be... Yeah, I guess I could. That'd be kind of tricky. I think I've already got the code for this way, so it'll work. Oh, but I'm also gonna need to, because slot 0 is the input, so I need to start at, oh, I already have +1. Do that, because there needs to be a blank spot at the beginning, right? So now I need to iterate over the whole thing. Oh, then no, yeah, okay, never mind. like that, huh? Oh yeah, wait. Also probably go down here, huh? Not there. Here. Yeah, I can't really do that yet. Why is that one sticking around? Oh, because it's the one I clicked on? Yeah. The one I clicked on sticking around. That doesn't make any sense. How is that happening? As help. How? It's the focus, so it always shows. What? No, it shouldn't be the focus. Focus only shows up. I can't have that then. I need a way to stop that from happening, because that's not how our recipes work. I mean, it just shows the group storing the one that you've done. Not really sure how to fix that one. The remove it from the outputs if it is the input. Well, but no. Because the whole idea is that it shows the one that you clicked on. It needs to be in there, because this one's just cycling. So, nothing here is static. I'm not too crazy about how this is working, actually. In general. But the thing is, the focus is always going to be in the output. I mean, it should be. For consistency's sake, because if I was clicking around and one block of the output was disappearing every time I looked at a different recipe, that's going to move them all over the place. Should just be able to show all of the outputs. I kind of agree, maybe this should just not cycle, but I still want it to show down here. Because the input can go to the input. How does it compare for the focus? Could I just copy the item stack and then it wouldn't know? No. Wait, yes, no. Didn't work. The way our recipes work is it's just displaying a carving group. When you click on one of these, it looks up the group for that and then just displays all those blocks, while remembering which one you clicked on to show you, hey, this is the one you were looking for. Because remember, we're looking, when I'm clicking, I'm looking for the output. Why would I draw the arrow the other way? Oh. But then again, technically, the output should also be in the input. Because it can do that. And we run into the same issue. Because the chisel is bidirectional, I don't really see any reason to distinguish between inputs and outputs. It's just, you can make all these things. But that's what I was saying before, if I do that, then it's going to look different every time, because there's going to be... It's not silly, it's consistent, because it kind of shows that each of these is the same exact recipe, whereas if it didn't show the block in the output, it would just see it shifting around every time. Like, if I look at the stone, which actually fits in there, it's identical for every one I click on. But if I were to hide the output, it would... The identical one, it would move every time. It'd all shift around. See what I mean? I mean, yeah. But then I also get rid of the orange highlight thing. I just don't get why there's a special case for the focus to always render. I mean, shouldn't it just be whatever I put in? Like, I put in the focus to render, so it should just render what I tell it to. I don't see why there has to be a special case there. Maybe I'm missing something. Well, maybe not, but I mean... I still don't get the special case thing. Why does it force the rendering of the focus? Normally, yeah. That's true. But then why would the input... Why would where the focus be... Why would the spot for the focus even use the OR dictionary in that case? Why wouldn't you just hard code it to the item you clicked on? I don't see why the OR dict would even be in there, because it's an input. The one you clicked on doesn't care about OR dictionary. Welcome, Cazador. Does it? And couldn't it just be part of the existing recipe? I mean, I don't even see it. Like, Well, adding or dictionary is an extra step. So wouldn't the default be not or dictionary? Like, I'm just doing this. No or dictionary involved. What do I have to do to make it be or dict? Is there a different way? Yeah, I guess I don't know enough about it. But it seems to me like the default would be not using or dict. So they're already going to have to add extra stuff. Okay, I guess I kind of see what you're saying. But then again, not really. Like, if I made a recipe in a mod that used or dict as an input, I would just write... Oh. That I didn't know. Automatically? Like for any item stack? Because that's not necessarily true for Chisel. Alright. Well, here's the other issue. There's a difference between me clicking on stone, hitting R on stone, and hitting U on stone, even though there's not really in our recipe. But I kind of need to distinguish. If you hit U, then it should, yes, only show the stone, because you're using the stone. If I hit R, then this should cycle, and stone should be highlighted. That's what I want to happen. But it appears that there is a bit of a roadblock. A decent idea. Have to rewrite all the rendering. Not that much. Because currently the item, the arrow is just baked into it. Alright, I'll try that. And then there's no need for the orange highlight ever. So, goodbye to that idea, I suppose. How do I know if it was which lookup it was? Is it part of the layout? Oh, it's the mode, isn't it? Why did you name it mode? Why? Yeah, okay. Hmm. Actually, I should just store the... God, I can't type today. Alright, Trozor, see you in a sec. I don't know. Alright, let's see how that works. Implemented your suggestions, Mez. Let's see how it went. Let's bring up the big screen. Alright, well, that was pretty close. Need to move it over to the right more. What, 50 maybe? Did I not be hard coding these values? Is there an easy way to get the middle? I got these backwards too. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now the arrow switches directions. I do not like the blank spot. It looks really derpy. How does it look with this stuff? I mean, it looks alright. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's the last one. I mean, maybe I should just skip over it. I don't need the blank now. Yes, I do. I absolutely do. Look, here it is without the blank. Wait, what? Why is the focus not interfering? Yeah, it is interfering. See, this is sticking around. Look. It's 100% interfering. Here. This is the code I had. Otherwise, I'd have to shift them all down. And set your input-output correctly on the slots. Huh? I don't know what you mean. Item stack group. It takes input as a location. A boolean. Oh. Wait. That would have fixed it the whole time. That's all I needed. They can be outputs even if they're not. I could have just done that in the first place, and it would have fixed the problem. Oh wait, it's already false. It's already false, so... Bug? Question mark? Only for 1/2. For 1/2. I don't know what you mean. Oh. Okay, but that's... I mean... So that only half solves it then. Yeah, no. I get that. But, I mean, it still needs to not do that on... when I look up a recipe. It shouldn't stick around. Yeah, I know, but I'm saying I don't like the blank spot. Ever. I think it looks bad. Looks weird. I don't need a blank slot, then what do I need? I can't easily shift everything down. And if on an set input based on focus.get mode. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I gotcha. Might have got that backward. Oh wait, why did I do that? Yeah. Hey! Okay, that's working. Cool. Neato. Yeah, I did that. I said it. One other thing I'm gonna just do to add a touch of... I'm gonna repurpose this orange there. Okay. See if that fixes it. Well, it's not going to. I gotta restart the game. Yeah, Trolzer, we fixed it. Finally. Finally fixed it. I think we're finally done with JEI plugins. Good, because even though JEI is a million times better than NEI API was, I still don't really like working with recipe stuff. Yay! When you hit R, it shows you that. When you hit U, it shows you it goes to those things. Nice. Cool. Cool. Alright. Done. Thing down. And I think this finally closes that issue you opened on our repo like a year ago at this point. Yeah, Mez, you're one to talk. I mean, you chose to do JEI willingly. Let's see. Where was that issue you opened ages ago? There it is. Hey look, number 104. Now I can check off that last thing. Say... Boom. Closed. As if it, oh, I got rejected. Oh, right, because my creator pushed stuff. Oh, I hope that doesn't conflict. Oh, why is Eclipse running so slowly today? I need to restart it. Or it could just be like I'm out of memory or something. Yeah, I'm pretty close to out of memory. Close some stuff. There we go. Alright, let's push these changes then. Done and done. That issue should now be closed. Yay, 51 issues now. Alright. I think that'll do it for today. I'm gonna take a break from modding. Thanks everybody coming by. Got some good stuff done. In-world chiseling is mostly finished. I might work on it at another time soon. We'll see. But yeah. Goodbye. Good night. Thanks, Mez, for all the help with your API. I swear it's definitely better than any I ever was. And oh my god, what has just happened on this? Alright, well. Eclipse has gone full derp. As it does. But yeah, definitely a good place to end it. Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. See ya.